All new BarrierBiome Sacred Secret Serum, a high-precision brightening serum. BarrierBiome's innovation, Saffrux brightening engine and BarrierBiome complex. Uniquely potent blend of Ayurvedic extracts and clinical actives. To illuminate, to repair, to renew. It boosts brightness, smoothens fine lines, softens wrinkles and strengthens the barrier. Super light, oil-free, non-sticky, barely there feel. After 7 days, instant radiance. Pores and fine line reduced. Visibly younger looking skin. One serum, every benefit. BarrierBiome Conscious Ayurveda.